Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a hotel reservation using the Expedia mobile app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tab at the bottom screen. Here you will see all your upcoming bookings. Find the hotel reservation you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. Look for the button that says cancel reservation or cancel booking. Tap it to start the cancellation process. You will see the hotel cancellation policy including your fees or refund info. Read this carefully before confirming. If you are sure, tap confirm cancellation or yes cancel. Your reservation will be cancelled and will get a confirmation email. Go back to your trips to see the cancelled booking and any refund details. Refund may take a few days depending on the hotel's policy and your payment method. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your hotel reservation using the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. For watching, see you in the next one.